We offer several payment methods, but paying by card is instant, which means you get instant access to your paid features and can get straight to work on all of your surveys. I'd like to take you through the different ways to pay by card, what to do if you run into a payment issue, and potential fees you might see from your card issuer or bank. So let's get started. When you're upgrading your account, it's really easy to pay by card, and there are a couple of ways to do it. To get started, click Upgrade. Then choose the plan you need. You can choose your payment method at the tip top of the checkout page. If you want to pay by card directly, you don't even have to choose an option. Just enter in your card details and then fill out your billing info. When you're ready, click to pay. Your payment will be processed immediately and you can start using your paid features right away. If you'd rather pay by invoice, that's cool too. The process is ever so slightly different. Choose invoice as your payment method. Make sure your billing details are filled in and then click confirm. This won't charge you. Instead, we'll create an invoice which you can pay for directly from the next page. If you'd rather pay for your invoice later, click My Account. Click Transaction History, and your invoice will be waiting for you patiently. You'll get access to your paid features as soon as the payment is received. If the charge won't go through, don't worry. Try starting with a fresh form, making sure the billing address you enter matches the billing address of your payment method. It's also a good idea to clear your cookies and cache or use another browser, since your browser might be storing a bit of old information. If it's still not working or you get an error, it's likely because your card issuer is blocking the charge from going through. Give your bank a ring and ask them to remove any block they may have put on the charge. Then wait 24 hours before giving it another try. After your payment has gone through, if you see a tiny extra charge from SurveyMonkey on your statement, that'll go away soon. It's a pre-authorization fee, which is a commonly used test transaction. After a few days, you'll either see it as refunded or the charge will vanish completely. If your card issuer has added a currency conversion or foreign transaction fee, you'll need to contact them to get a little bit more information on that. Using a credit or debit card is a really convenient and simple way to pay for any plan. Try it out.